are different from us, and they are ruining it for all of us. They look different. They speak differently. They eat different foods. They are not like us, and they need to go.
Enough of that. I need to get to work, and I need to bring you two to daycare. Let's get moving.
Good morning, White Lightning and Bob Bob. Today we're going to be meeting our new friends. Please welcome the duckies, Lucky and Just. Please welcome the hamster, Easy. And please welcome the bunnies, Butch, Lily, and Gordo. First, we will have some playtime. Then we will share a snack and a song with our new friends.
Hey, at playtime, no one else chased a ball like me. Hey, at snack time, no one else ate a biscuit like me. Hey, at song time, no one else barked like me. Different toys, different snacks, different voices. You're my best friend, Bob. It's you and me together against them. And they need to go. But I don't always play with the same toys as you, and I don't always eat the same snacks as you, and I don't always have the same voice as you. But you love me, and you tell me you love me because I'm me. You love me for everything different that makes me, well, me. Do you think I could learn how to quack like the duckies? And maybe tunnel like the bunnies at playtime? And maybe, just maybe, get a nibble of Izzy's strawberry snack.
Time to go home.
Goodbye, my new friends. You shared so many surprises with me today. I can't wait to see you again, and I can't wait to see what surprises tomorrow brings. To purchase these books and others, visit www.roxythedogllc.com. Remember to include LLC, Little Loco Canine, when you type in www.roxythedogllc.com.